Welcome in the first lecture. In this playlist, we will cover the following topics. In this lecture, we will learn the Cartesian product of two sets, three sets, n sets. Then, in the coming lectures, we will learn the definition of relations, binary relations, and array relations, how to represent the relations, then different type and properties of relations, equivalence relations, and the partial order relations, and the important question which are asked in various examinations. So first of all, what is a Cartesian product of two sets? First we will calculate order pair. As you know, the order pair is given by x comma y, and this is your set x and your set is y. So in order pair, you studied that the first element x belongs to your capital X, yani first belongs to first set and the second element belongs to second set. So now the definition, Cartesian product of two sets. Suppose there are two non-empty sets, one is x and the second is y. Then the Cartesian product is given by this cross relation x Cartesian with y. This is the set of, this is the symbol of your set. This is set of all order pair in which the first element belongs to first set and the y second element belongs to the second set. So this is the definition of your Cartesian product. Let us take an example in which P is a set which contain the element A, B and C, and Q is the set that contain element K, L, M or N. Now the number of element in the set P are 3 and number of element in the set Q are 4. They are K, L, M or N. Now their Cartesian product, this P cross Q, is the set of all order pair in which the first element comes from the P set and the second element comes from the Q sets. So now the number of element in the P cross Q will be the 12, 3 here, 4 here, then the possible combinations are 12. Let us write this one. Take A will give order pair with K, A with L, A with M, A with N, and then the second element again gives the 4 order pair which are B with K, B with L, B with M, B with N, and similarly E with K, E with L, E with M, E with N. So this is your Cartesian product of these two sets P and Q. Here you will note that the number of element in the Cartesian product P cross Q is equal to 3 into 4, that is 12. So it is our formula now. If your number of element in the set P are M, number of element in Q set are N, then the number of element in P cross Q will be M into N. Similarly, you can write the Cartesian product of Q cross P, and again in Q cross P, number of element in the Cartesian product of Q and P, again N into M, that is Mn. So the number of element in the Cartesian product of A cross B and B cross A is always same. Now if x comma y order pair is equal to 2 comma 3, this order pair, now these two order pairs are equal if first element is equal to first, it means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. In generally, order pair of P and Q, Cartesian product of PQ, is not equal to Cartesian product of QP, but number of element in the Cartesian product of PQ is equal to number of element in the Cartesian product of QP. Okay. Now we have studied the number of element in the power set. In previous lectures, that is set theory, if if a set P cross Q contains mn element, then the power set, this denote your power set of PQ. This is power set of Cartesian product P cross Q. What is the power set? Power set is the set of all subset of the elements, या जो भी आपका सेट है उसके जितने भी सबसेट्स बनेंगे उन सब की जो कलेक्शन है, दैट इज नोन एज योर पावर सेट. नाउ द नंबर ऑफ सबसेट फॉर ए गिवन सेट्स आर 2 raised to power number of element in that set. You know this formula. So power set of P cross Q means number of element in the power set, or we can say number of all subsets of Cartesian product P cross Q, that is equal to 2 की power mn. And it is very important for our relation. In our syllabus there is relations and equivalence relation and partial order relations. There I need this formula. So next is, now the Cartesian product of 3 sets. Suppose S is the set containing one element, that is your A. This is not here because B and C I have taken in T set, and T is the set which contains 3 elements B, C and D, and W is a set that contains A and D. Caution is find the Cartesian product of S, T and W. So now the Cartesian product S, T, W is the set of these tuples. 3 tuples हैं ये आपके. The first element S comes from the first set, second element comes from the second set, and the third element comes from the third set. The collection of all these tuples is contained in S cross T cross W. Now the cardinality, that is number of element in this Cartesian product of these 3 sets, is equal to number of element in the first set, number of element in the second set, number of element in the third set. So 3 2 is 6. So there will be 6 element in our S cross T cross W. So how to write all these? देखिए आप क्या करेंगे, आप फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट सेट का उठा लेंगे, दिस वन S का A. नाउ सेकेंड एलिमेंट फ्रॉम दिस. नाउ टेक दिस ऑर्डर, फर्स्ट A and then D. So A B A B D. Now you have completed your W for corresponding position of B. Now in the second position I will take the second element, यानी कि first position पे the element of S, in second position I will take C, and the corresponding to this first A, in second case I have taken D. Similarly first position A, now you will take third element of your T set, that is your D. Now you will take first A and then your D. So there are total n element. Okay, now you can write your number of element in the Cartesian product. In some book there is a notation n outside and Cartesian product inside. It denote the number of element in A cross B, and that is equal to number element of A into number of element of B. And in some book there is this determinant sign, and this mod value denote the number of element and this notation. So yet now we have studied the number of element. A is m, B is n. The number of element in the Cartesian product will be mn. Similarly, if there are the 3 sets A, B and C, their respective elements are m, n or l, then the Cartesian product will contain 3 element m, n or l. Similarly, the Cartesian product for the, suppose there are n sets, so Cartesian product notation will be A1 cross A2 cross up to AN, and this will be the set of, I am writing here braces. So this is the set of all order pair in which the first element x1 that comes from A1 set, x2 comes from A2 set, xn comes from AN set. Okay, so this is the element of your Cartesian product of n sets, where each xi comes from ai and I is 1 to n. This is the set of all ordered n tuples. जिसमें यहाँ आपके डायमेंशन n है, तो this is known as n tuples. Now we will take some example based on order pair and Cartesian product. The question is find x and y where the order pair x plus y comma 2 is equal to 5 comma 2x plus y. This is my first question and it's my second question. ठीक है. Now this is 2 dimension. Okay. Second order tuple इसमें आपका क्या होगा? This is first position and this is first position. So you will write x plus 2 is equal to 5 and the second position, that is y, is equal to 2x plus y. When I compare all these two values, I obtain x is equal to 3 and also putting the value of x in the second case, x is equal to 3, so 4 is equal to 6 plus y, it will gives y is equal to minus 2. Similarly, you can solve this. So I am not solving, you can take the answer solution of this one. Now suppose Cartesian product is 5. So it may happen Cartesian product of two set A cross B is 5 only if either A or B or both are empty set. Otherwise it will contain a element. So there is one more questions I gave in the classroom. So A is the set containing the 3 element and B the set again containing the 3 element. And the Cartesian product आपसे पूछा है A cross B and B cross A. तो I hope ये तो easy question है, आप कर लेंगे. But here I want to give you information about the common point. Can you check कि how many common point A and B contain? Yes, there are 2 elements which are common, that is B and C. So first write the Cartesian product A cross B, then I will discuss the common points in A and B. It is very important questions कि A or B element contains common elements. Suppose here are 2 element common, then their Cartesian product contain R square element common, 2 का square, इनकी 4 element will be common. Let us check how. First of all, write the Cartesian product of A cross B. A cross B. This will be the set that contains first element comes from A. So this Cartesian product will be AB, AC, AD. Then BC, BB, BC, BD. Then CB, CC, CD. So you will write this is your Cartesian product A cross B. Okay. Then write the Cartesian product of B cross A, that is B cross A reverse. So first element comes from B and second element now comes from A. So this will be BA, BB, BC, CA, CB, CC, DA, DB, DC. So this is your Cartesian product. Now give me the answer. How many elements are common in the set A and set B? So there are 2 elements common in A and set B. So that is your element is here A common element. That means intersection of A and B. Intersection will contain B and C. So number of element in A intersection B is common is 2. And these are B and C. Now check how many elements are common in A cross B and B cross A. Let us check. BB, here is BB. I wrote here 1, wrote here 1. BC, this is BC, second element. CB, third element. And CC, fourth element. ठीक है. तो अगर आपके ए और बी में 2 एलिमेंट कॉमन है तो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में आपका आर स्क्वायर यानी 2 स्क्वायर एलिमेंट कॉमन होगा। तो रिजल्ट इज़, आप रिजल्ट याद रखेंगे, ये प्रूफ भी है, प्रूफ मैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में प्रूव करवाऊँगी। तो क्वेश्चन इज़, अगर ए में एलिमेंट आपके m है और बी में एलिमेंट आपके n है, तो अगर आपके इंटरसेक्शन में r एलिमेंट कॉमन है, इन दैट केस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कॉमन इन a क्रॉस b एंड b क्रॉस a इज इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर। जैसे आपने अभी एग्जाम्पल में भी देखा, आपके 2 एलिमेंट कॉमन थे, तो आपके a क्रॉस b और b क्रॉस a में कितने एलिमेंट कॉमन है? द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट कॉमन इन r स्क्वायर आर कॉमन इन a क्रॉस b एंड b क्रॉस a इज r स्क्वायर। ठीक है। नाउ द एग्जामिनर मे आस्क दिस फॉर्मूला, दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट विच आर इन a बट नॉट इन b क्रॉस a। ये आपने किया भी होगा, सेट थ्योरी में हमने डेफिनेशन की थी, a माइनस बी का मतलब है दिस इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल दोज एलिमेंट विच आर इन a बट नॉट इन b। तो एलिमेंट इन a नॉट इन b, तो हम इसे कितने तरीके से लिख सकते हैं? आई कैन राइट दिस इन दिस फॉर्म, दिस इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल दोज एलिमेंट ऑफ x विच आर इन a बट दे आर नॉट बिलोंगिंग टू b। We can write a minus b as a intersection b complement also, okay, and in another way we can also say this is the collection of all x belongs to a and x belongs to b complement। ठीक है। तो there is a formula, तो a क्रॉस b यानी कि कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ a कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ b, तो हाउ मैनी एलिमेंट्स आर देयर विच आर इन a क्रॉस b बट नॉट इन b क्रॉस a। तो आपके अगर ऐसा कलेक्शन लें कि a क्रॉस b के वो एलिमेंट बताइए जो a क्रॉस b में है लेकिन b क्रॉस a में नहीं है, तो आप 1 2 3 4 ये एलिमेंट आप एलिमिनेट करेंगे यहाँ से, दीज आर द 4 एलिमेंट। तो हाउ विल यू राइट? a माइनस a क्रॉस b माइनस ऑफ b क्रॉस a, the determinant, that determinant means number of element। so this is the number of elements which are in a cross b but not in b cross a। now you can practice, I will give the link of this PDF in this lecture, so you can download it and study it। Thank you।